What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing a cleaning hack to get rid of all of this soap scum and hard water stains that are built up on my shower wall here. And what we're going to be using to do that is we're going to be using toilet bowl cleaner today to get rid of all the hard water and soap scum stains that happen in the shower. Toilet bowl cleaner is really good for this because it actually contains chemicals that are made to handle discoloration in your toilet and stain removal and all these things. However, you do have to be aware that toilet cleaner obviously has a lot of harsh chemicals in it. I would not recommend this as a daily cleaner. I would recommend this as like a once every 6 month thing, a spring cleaning hack, if you will. I would not recommend this for consistent use because there are some harsh chemicals in here. All we're going to do is just get this all on the shower wall, just like so. We're gonna let this go down, do its thing. And we're actually not even going to let this sit. We're just going to start buffing it in. I do recommend gloves, especially if your toilet bowl cleaner is containing bleach, which will obviously also help remove hard water stains, any sort of discoloration. It'll also help brighten the walls of your shower if that's what you're needing. But I'm just going to buff this in. And I'm just going to grab my shower head and rinse this right off. And I'll show you guys how well this worked for a before and after shot. It's really just that simple. If you wanted to, you could use a hard wire brush or a sponge. Something that might be a little bit more abrasive might work a little bit better than just a cleaning washcloth. Here is that exact same spot that I showed you guys in the beginning. You can see that all the hard water stains are gone, all the dotting's gone, all the soap scum is gone. So I would say that this cleaning hack definitely is approved by me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you guys in another video.